Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest engineering videos. Hello and welcome to Sigma Youth Engineers. My name is Vipin Kumar Yadav. I have 10 years of experience in CNC CAD CAM industries. My qualification is postgraduate diploma in CNC CAD CAM from Indo-Danish Toolroom Jamshedpur, and in this video series we will learn about CNC machine programming from beginning. Today I am going to share with you some of the basics of CNC machining operations. CNC machining is a manufacturing process suitable for wide variety of industries including automotive, aerospace, constructions and agriculture, and able to produce a wide range of products such as automobile components, surgical equipments, airplane engines and various other tools. The process encompasses several different computer controlled machining operations including mechanical, chemical, electrical and thermal process, which removes the necessary material from the workpiece to produce a custom designed part or product. Now we have to discuss the various type of machining operations. In this section, some of the most common mechanical machining operation includes CNC turning, CNC milling and CNC drilling. Now for short, we have to discuss about CNC turning. CNC turning is a machining process which employs single point cutting tool to remove material from the rotating workpiece. In CNC turning, the cutting tool feeds in a linear motion along the surface of the rotating workpiece, removing material all around the circumference until the desired diameter is achieved to produce cylindrical parts. Some of these processes are totally dependent on turning machine for a round workpiece, that is boring, facing, grooving and thread cutting. These are the common operations used in CNC turning machine. Now we have to discuss how does CNC programming works. CNC machining relies heavily on programming. A human programmer must input the right codes and ensure they work properly. Without the codes, there is no CNC machining. The language behind CNC machining is also known as G-code. Most manufacturing machines have code to dictate one or two functions. The G-code is significantly more complex than this. G-code will control many varying behavior in CNC machines. These include speed, feed and coordinate. The G-code is written and fed into the machine. There is almost no need for a human operator. The CNC programming is totally based on the coordinate system. There are 4 coordinate systems are used in CNC programming. First, absolute coordinate system. Second, incremental coordinate system. Third, polar coordinate system. Fourth, Cartesian coordinate system. These are the 4 common coordinate systems used in CNC machining. Now we have to understand the basic steps to programming of CNC machines. The basic process of programming a CNC machine is simple. Learning and understanding the code to develop program is most difficult part. The steps of programming CNC machines are briefly explained below. Step 1. A 2 or 3 dimensional computer aided drawing is conceived. This drawing will be of desired end product. Step 2. The computer aided drawing is translated into computer code. The translation process is done so that the CNC system can read and execute the desired functions. Step 3. The machine operation will give the new code a trial run. This will ensure there is no mistakes present in the coding. Step 4. If the machine programming works without error, the process is done. If there is any mistake present in the G code, the operator will work to fix them. Once the system is activated, the desired cuts will be programmed into the software. It will tell the corresponding tool and machinery what to do. The machines will be carried out in 3 dimensions as specified. So this is the basic fundamentals of CNC programming. So this is all about the basics of CNC programming, which we will have to execute in our practical sessions and the theoretical sessions of understanding the concept of pattern making of program, and also how to execute the program according to the drawing. So we will continue our video series in a sequential manner to understand the CNC machine programming. Thank you for watching.